is a drag and drop website builder that makes it easy to create and manage your website. You can also easily edit your website's look and feel. Elementor helps you create a fully customizable WordPress website. It also gives you the ability to easily add elements from a variety of plugins to your website without needing to know any code. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP we will learn how to use the Elementor website builder. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So once you are on your WordPress dashboard, the first step that we have to take is install the Elementor website builder. Very, very easy. Just look into your left sidebar, go to plugins from right here and go to add a new plugin. And once you click on that, you will have to search for the Elementor website builder. So scroll down a little bit, go to search plugins and just write Elementor website builder. And there you go. This is the first thing that will pop up right here, Elementor website builder. You can just click on install now. You can go to more details if you want to learn a little bit more about Elementor website builder from right here. You can go to the description, the installation process, the FAQs, screenshots of how it works, and the reviews as well. And once it's installed, just click on activate. All right, so our Elementor website builder is now active. The next step is to learn how we can use the Elementor website builder. So from your left sidebar, go to pages and add a new page. So I'm going to show you a sample page of how you can use the Elementor website builder. Now that we are here, just give this a title. Right now, I'm just going to give it a sample page title. And when you scroll down, you'll find this button which would say edit with Elementor. We just have to click on that. Now, as you can see, since we are new to Elementor right here, there are a few guiding options or guiding boxes that will be shown to you. So for example, this is a new SEO thing. And this basically says easy navigation is here. Once you fill your page with content, this window will give you an overview display of all the page elements. This way you can easily move around any section, column or widget. So this is pretty helpful. This is the navigator. All right. Okay. So this is what your Elementor website builder window would look like. This is a box where you can add several widgets. So in the left sidebar, there are some basic widgets right here. So you have some sections, a heading, if you want to add images, text editor, video, button, and so on. You have quite a lot of things here. And these are the pro options or widgets that you get. We're just going to learn the basic free ones for now. So just click on this plus red sign right here and you can select a structure. So I'm going to show you 2 to 3 structures of how it works. The first structure is going to be the first one, which is one simple thing, and we are going to add the heading widget here. Okay, so I'm going to click on plus. From here, if you click on this plus, all the widgets would start to appear in the left hand side. So take this heading and just drop it here. As you can see, that's that. And I can just write, this is a sample page from here. So this is a heading. Now in the left hand side, you can definitely go ahead and edit this out as well. If you want to put a URL in this page, for example, if you are promoting a YouTube video or your Instagram page on a blog, one page website, you can go ahead and you can put a link which would redirect to your Instagram page or your YouTube account. So that is something that you can do. There is a size, there could be default, this could be small, large, double XL, As you can see, we can like play around with it. I'm going to keep it as default. There's this HTML tag and the alignment. So this is in left right now. We can keep it in center, in the right, or just simply justify it. So I'm going to keep it in the center. Now there's style. Besides content in the left hand side, there's style as well. So you can change the text color. Let's keep it a little to the grayish side. This is fine. The typography, you can choose the font. If you want, you can increase the size, the weight, transform. So this is something that you can explore on your own and study around this typography a little bit. There's text shadow and there's blend mode. So you can overlay this. So whatever background you keep, it could be overlaid. So this is something that is not required right now. Let's not go ahead and check this out for now. We'll keep it normal. And then there's advanced, where you can add margin to your heading. There could be padding done. For example, if I keep it as 78, as you can see, it just, the heading just came off like that. The box became bigger. So the padding is with the box and the text, as you can see from right here. As you decrease it, the padding would get decreased. This is something very interesting. Let's keep it at 40. Okay, this is pretty good. And then there's your margin. As you can see, same thing, but a little different somehow. Okay, so this I'll keep as 0. I don't want any margin. I'm good with the padding thing. All right, so all of this, I'm sure you guys can go ahead and check it out on your own. This is something that, you just play around with and learn. All right, to the next widget from right here. Click on this plus button and then you'll go ahead with the 2-section thing that we have right here. So here what we can do is we can add one text in the left sidebar and one image in the right sidebar. So again, click on this plus button and the widgets will start to appear. So here I can just write some text. I'm just gonna keep it as it is for now. You can go ahead, delete this thing and add your own text. And here, when I click on the plus button, again, this widget, the widgets would start to appear and I can just add the image from here. Okay, so we have just added our image right here. And again, if you choose here, if you go ahead and click on this right button from here, you'll get this option. Then you can go ahead to style, change the alignment, change the text color, the typography. If you want to add any text shadow, you can do that as well. So these are the basic things that you'll kind of have to do. You'll have to change the text and everything. All right, so now that this is done, we can go ahead and add another section here. And let's see, I'll go ahead with this section. And again, click on the plus sign from here. You can add any of the widgets that you want. This is your page, play around with it. I'm going to add the video from right here. And this could be a link to any of the video that you have uploaded as unlisted on YouTube. And if you don't know how to upload a video as unlisted on YouTube, go ahead, listing the SOP right here. Go ahead, check it out later if you want. I'll also put it in the description down below. So this is a placeholder video, which means that any video link has been put by the Elementor website builder, and you can go ahead and put another link over here later. So I've put a video here. Again, I click on the plus button and I can add, let's see, I can add an icon here if I want. I'll add an icon. Okay, now this icon could be any of the icons. So we can go to the icon library from the left hand side. Now this is very interesting. Let's go to the icon library and then we can add any of these icons. Gonna go ahead with share and insert this. Again, the alignment could be changed. You can also link any of your YouTube video all here so that if they click on this icon, they'll be redirected to the YouTube video again. Let's go to style and increase the size a little bit. Yep. I can go to hover and I can put an animation as well. So I can keep it as bugs. So when I click here, this is gonna, so this is pretty interesting, the animation. All right, so this is good. I'll add another icon here maybe, or I can add another text. So we can make it as check out this video or something like that. Now, as you can see, this looks decent enough. And yeah, we have successfully made a page right here. We have put quite a lot of things. We can also add like some sections, some other sections if you want. You can add another widget here. You can add another section here. That's up to you. So this is a sample page that we have created right here. And what I can do is I can just go ahead and click on this green button, which is publish, once I'm happy with this. So I can publish this. And this is done. Now, if you want to go ahead and make some changes to it, that can also be done. Let's go back to our website. So how do you go back to your website? You can just click on these three lines right here beside Elementor in the left-hand corner, and you can go to exit to dashboard, or you can click on view page from here. So let's view the page once. Now, as you can see, our sample page is ready right here. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. And now if you want to go ahead and edit the page, can you do that? Yes, of course, and definitely. So you can go back to pages from your left sidebar, go to all pages from here, and check out the sample page that you have created. This is the one. So I can edit it from here. I can quickly edit it. I can trash it, view it, or I can edit it with Elementor. One interesting thing that I want to show you, if I go to edit from right here, and I scroll it down a little bit. All right. So once you get to page attributes, as you can see, our template is the default template. So we can go to the templates and we can keep it as Elementor canvas, which means that your page will be fully covered. Your menu will not be shown. So we can go to Elementor canvas, choose this. Now this could be done for a one-page website or for another landing page that you have chosen to create on Elementor itself. All right, so now that we have chosen Elementor canvas, we can go ahead and update it. And then we can view our page as well to see the difference. So preview changes from here. And as you can see, you're not able to see the menu that was being shown earlier in the page when we had default template set as our page attribute. So this is something bonus that I've shared with you guys. So this can be done if you want to create a landing page of your own, or if you want to create a one-page website. This is something that you can do as well. You can add your own footer, add your own header, and that is something that we can discuss in another video. But for now, we have successfully learned how you can create or just use Elementor Website Builder for creating a WordPress page. Hope you guys liked the video and were able to create a page with the help of Elementor Website Builder. We will be coming up with a lot of Elementor Website Builder related videos, so stay tuned for that. And if you have any questions, any queries, or any suggestions of videos that you would want to see on the Learn Today channel, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. Go ahead and hit on that like button, subscribe button, along with the notification bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jaswin Walia, and I will see you in our next SOP.